Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Frank and today I will be unboxing AirPods Max. The ridiculously expensive AirPods Max. This thing goes for $779 Canadian, but hey, why not? It was between this or a Gucci belt. So I figured because we're in quarantine, I'm gonna be wearing sweatpants most of the time. So there's no need for a belt. So you have to put your money where it matters, and good sounding music and good quality sound, just you can't put a price on that. So I went ahead, well actually you can, Apple just did. They put the price of $779. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now getting these actually took me a few weeks simply because when they first launched, ordering them online was 12 to 15 weeks. It later went down to 4 to 5 weeks. It was always sold out at my local store, but I kept checking. Eventually they had them in stock, so I went ahead and got it. Did the curbside pickup, was super easy, super smooth. So that's a good thing that Apple has in place now, where you can just pick it up, you pull up, they bring it to your car with your receipt and everything. So this was not my first choice color, I have to say. I did want the black ones, but again, this was the only thing that was available. I kept checking my local store and eventually these became available. I wasn't interested in the green, the blue, or whatever other colors they had. But again, they should still sound the same anyways. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing and see what they look like, and most importantly, what they sound like. All right, so let's see. Good, oh, great. Oh, you have this nice little embossed 3D effect. That's pretty neat. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's pretty neat. Open these up. So there you have it. These feel really heavy. Wow. I'm curious, I haven't checked the weight, the official weight yet. But yeah, they definitely feel heavy. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy. So let's take them out of the case. Okay, so they wrap the case in this paper. So let's put the case aside for now, but they look really nice. This white and aluminum actually is a lot nicer than what I expected. Obviously seeing them online and seeing them in real life is quite different, but wow, they really feel premium. There's a real weight to the aluminum. The mesh, I'm not sure though. I'm kind of worried, like if it gets caught on something, if it's gonna rip or not, like how solid this is. Because I know that you can change these. These are magnetic, so you can always replace these. But I'm curious as to what if something happens to the actual, I don't know what this is called, but this headrest, I guess. So yeah. So what else do we have in the box? You have your document. Okay, so you have your USB. What is this USB? Okay. Oh, so USB to Lightning port. So you have your cable, your documents, and this case, okay. So it has a very nice interior. But I'm having a hard time getting like what the point of this is, you know, like so yeah, so you can put it in the case and it still has this little opening so you can charge it while it's resting in the case. So let's go ahead and look at some of the details and specs on this and see what it feels like. One neat feature I just noticed is the R and L, so you can tell the right from the left, even though you'll probably come to figure out that the right is the one with the buttons, but you have your R and L written on the inside of the ear cups. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but you can see it there. I'll try to put a clearer picture. So that's a neat feature. I mean, my first impressions out of the box is this feels very sturdy, very premium, high quality. I mean, it feels very soft and plush. The aluminum, again, there's a weight to it. I'm not sure if that will mean that it becomes uncomfortable if you wear them over a long period of time. I wouldn't see myself running with these. Going for a walk, obviously yes, but then again, most people, when they do go for a run, they usually opt for the in-ear AirPods. They feel solid. I mean, wow, the resistance on this, when you try to expand it, like you can feel, that's probably the most, yeah, they don't just, you can't just pull on it, and so you do get some resistance. I guess that also helps them stay in place. So let's go ahead and see what they feel. Wow. Okay. Oh, wow. So the noise cancellation is just ridiculous. Like I have appliances. I'm in my kitchen right now, so all of my appliances just went dead. You don't notice how loud they are until you put these on. I mean, the noise cancellation is redunculous. Wow. So that's definitely a plus. Feels comfortable. I mean, they don't feel as heavy on your head as they do in your hands. So I guess that's a good thing if you're using them for long periods of time. I plan on using it mostly for I'm trying to improve my sound editing. So I wanted to get good sounding headphones. So if you're sitting at a desk for a long period of time with this, I just put them on for a few seconds, so it's kind of hard to tell. Like if you're bopping your head to the beat, you don't want to be dropping your $779 headphones on the street, scratch them. But yeah. And the appliances again. So yeah, let's go look at the specs and see how these things work. AirPods Max are available in a choice of 5 colors, with this particular one being the silver one, but it is also offered in pink, as well as in green, space gray, and sky blue. Now, as we've come to expect from most Apple products, the setup is very easy and straightforward. You just open your Bluetooth, the AirPods will appear, you connect them, and you're ready to go. It's that easy. Now diving into some specs, these headphones weigh 13.6 ounces or just 385 grams. The ear cushions are made of mesh textile and memory foam. They provide you with over-ear seal in order to offer you an immersive seal, and as mentioned earlier, they are detachable and replaceable. In here, the noise cancellation uses 6 microphones to sense and block noise from any direction. There are 6 outward-facing and 2 inward-facing microphones. Your indicators are located at the bottom along with the charging port. A full charge should provide 20 hours of listening time, and a 5-minute charge gives you 1.5 hours of listening time. The canopy, as Apple likes to call it, is made of breathable knit mesh, which is meant to distribute the weight equally and therefore reduce on-head pressure. The frame is stainless steel and it is wrapped in a soft touch material. If you're an Apple Watch user, you may recognize this digital crown. You can use it on these headphones to control your volume. You press once for play, pause, or answer a call. You can press it twice to skip forward, 3 times to skip back, and you can hold it down in order to activate Siri. The noise control button allows you to switch between noise cancellation and transparency mode. The use of Apple's H1 chip allows for computational audio, which basically allows the headphones to adapt what you're hearing up to 200 times a second. Apple's spatial audio is achieved thanks to accelerometers and gyroscopes that track your head movement in order to provide an immersive theater-like sound. This piece of tech also offers on-head detection that pauses the audio when you remove them and resumes play once you put them back on. Once you slide your headphones into the smart case, they will enter an ultra-low state that will preserve the charge. So according to Apple, these AirPods Max are supposed to provide you with the ultimate personal listening experience. Now you have to understand that as much as I like to poke fun at just how expensive they are, these headphones simply happen to fall into a more premium/luxury audio category. After listening to the sound quality, I have to say that the build quality together with the sound quality does actually justify the hefty price tag. Now, are there cheaper options out there? Yes, absolutely. but you still have to admit that the overall look and sound of these headphones is still pretty sick. One interesting alternative I do want to mention is the Sony WH-1000XM4 that goes for about $200 cheaper and also provides you with amazing quality. So that is it for today's video. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to show love by subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like.